In this video, we are going to introduce the special product series of Ctube, the Photovoltaic and Solar Series Conduit and Fittings. This series is designed for special outdoor electrical installation. For PVC conduit, a common concern is that prolonged outdoor exposure can cause the conduit to become brittle and lose performance, potentially affecting current transmission. For the solar conduit series, UV resistance is the most important feature because this solar conduit is usually used in outdoor projects. The outdoor condition is extremely harsh and high UV exposure. The materials of this series contain 2% titanium dioxide. These materials make our conduit extremely UV resistant, longer outdoor time service life than ordinary PVC conduit. Firstly, let's look at our conduit options. We offer both rigid conduit and corrugated conduit. Standard color are gray, but black also used for this series. Similar to other standard products, we also provide a wide range of accessories and fittings in this particular series: junction box, adaptable box, complaint, elbow, sweep band, and etc. They feature a V0 fire rating, offer exceptional corrosion and UV protection, withstand high pressure and impact. Almost all the products will accept customization for sizes, colors, and diameters. If you have project requirements, please contact us. For more information, visit our website